Ever feel like your money's playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek and you're always the one losing? You know, you've got bills, subscriptions, that impulse buy from last week that's already gathering dust, and somehow, it all just disappears. You're trying to get a grip, right? You've heard whispers of budgeting apps, the digital saviors of financial chaos. But then you're hit with a wall of options. Simplifi? PocketGuard? What's the difference? Are they even worth it? If you're nodding along, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the Simplifi versus PocketGuard showdown. Let's break it down. Both Simplifi and PocketGuard are personal finance apps designed to help you track spending, manage budgets, and ultimately, gain control of your money. But they approach this goal with slightly different philosophies, and that's where the key differences lie. First, let's talk about Simplifi, brought to you by Quicken. Think of Simplifi as the comprehensive financial command center. It's built for those who want a detailed, holistic view of their finances. Simplifi excels at long-term planning. It lets you project your future cash flow, track your net worth over time, and create detailed spending plans. It's got a strong focus on forecasting, allowing you to see potential financial roadblocks before you hit them. If you're someone who wants to meticulously plan for big life events, like buying a house or retirement, Simplifi's detailed analysis and forecasting tools are a major plus. It's also very good at tracking and categorizing transactions. It has a very powerful and customizable reporting system, making it easy to slice and dice your financial data. Now, let's shift gears to PocketGuard. PocketGuard takes a more streamlined, user-friendly approach. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use. If you're new to budgeting or find detailed financial planning overwhelming, PocketGuard might be your best bet. Its core feature, In My Pocket, gives you a quick snapshot of how much money you have available to spend after accounting for bills, savings goals, and other expenses. It's designed to be a quick glance, a daily check-in that gives you a clear picture of your spending power. PocketGuard is also known for its automatic bill tracking and subscription monitoring. It helps you identify recurring expenses and potential savings opportunities, like finding and used subscriptions. It's less about long-term forecasting and more about immediate, actionable insights. If you want a straightforward app that helps you avoid overspending and quickly identify areas to cut back, PocketGuard is a strong contender. So, how do you choose? It boils down to your personal preferences and financial goals. If you're a detail-oriented person who wants a comprehensive financial planning tool with robust forecasting capabilities, Simplifi is likely the better fit. If you prefer a simple, user-friendly app that provides quick insights and helps you avoid overspending, PocketGuard is a great option. Ultimately, both Simplifi and PocketGuard are powerful tools that can help you take control of your finances. The best app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Take some time to explore both options and choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals and lifestyle. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.